Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Stories. Today we have a long story to practice English listening, speaking, pronunciation, and fluency. Listen carefully, pause after each sentence, and repeat after me. Copy the tone, speed, and emotion. This story is called I Went to California. I had always dreamed of visiting California. The Golden Coast, the warm sun, the endless beaches, and the famous cities all seemed magical from the stories I had read and the pictures I had seen. For years, I imagined walking along the boardwalk in Santa Monica, feeling the sand under my feet, hearing the waves crash gently, and smelling the salty ocean air. Every evening, I would close my eyes and picture myself there, smiling and happy, completely immersed in the beauty of the place. Finally, the day came when I could make my dream a reality. I packed my bags carefully, making sure I had everything I needed. I checked my list twice: clothes, shoes, camera, phone, chargers, a notebook, a pen, and my favorite book to read on the plane. I even packed some snacks for the flight, although I knew I could buy food during the trip. My heart was racing with excitement. I couldn't believe it was finally happening. At the airport, I waited in line for security, feeling a mixture of nervousness and exhilaration. Every time I looked at my ticket, my excitement grew. I imagined all the adventures I was about to have, the new people I would meet, the foods I would try, and the stories I would collect to remember forever. Boarding the plane felt surreal. The hum of the engines, the slight vibration as we taxied down the runway, and the view of the city shrinking below made me feel like I was leaving the ordinary world behind and entering a dream. Once we took off, I looked out the window. The clouds were fluffy and white, stretching endlessly across the sky. I could see the cities and fields below, tiny and distant, almost like a model made for a movie set. I felt a sense of freedom I had never experienced before. Being up in the sky with the world below and the possibilities ahead gave me hope and joy. I took a deep breath, feeling that everything I had imagined was coming closer to reality. When the plane landed in Los Angeles, the sun was beginning to set. The colors in the sky were magnificent, shades of orange, pink, and purple blending together beautifully. I collected my luggage and stepped outside, immediately feeling the warm California air on my skin. The energy of the city was vibrant. People were moving quickly, talking, laughing, and enjoying the evening. I hailed a cab and headed to my hotel, observing the streets, the architecture, and the palm trees swaying gently in the breeze. The next morning, I woke up early, eager to explore. I decided to visit Santa Monica first. The beach was breathtaking. The sand was soft and warm under my feet. I could hear the distant sound of seagulls and the steady crashing of the waves. Children were playing, building sandcastles, and laughing with pure happiness. People were jogging along the path, others were cycling, and a few were walking their dogs. I joined the crowd, feeling the sun on my face, and I felt completely alive. As I walked along the pier, I saw street performers entertaining the crowd. A man was juggling fire, a woman was playing the violin beautifully, and children were dancing to the music. The aroma of popcorn and cotton candy filled the air. I bought a small ice cream and sat on a bench, watching the ocean, the people, and the sunset. It felt surreal, almost magical, like I was in a movie. I thought to myself, this is exactly what I dreamed of. I explored the city further over the next days, visiting Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and the famous Rodeo Drive. I saw the Walk of Fame and marveled at the stars dedicated to legendary actors. I took countless photos, trying to capture every moment, every view, every smile. I even visited some cafes and tried local food, tasting fresh seafood, tacos, and smoothies. Each day was a new adventure, full of learning, laughing, and exploring. One day, I decided to drive along the Pacific Coast Highway. The view was breathtaking. The ocean stretched endlessly to the horizon, cliffs rose dramatically, and the winding road made every turn exciting. I stopped frequently to take pictures and simply breathe in the fresh, salty air. I watched surfers ride the waves, children run along the shore, and couples walking hand in hand. It reminded me that life was full of beauty and that experiences like this were precious gifts. As I sat by the shore, watching the sun sink into the ocean, I reflected on my journey. I had traveled far, from planning and imagining to experiencing and living. Every moment felt valuable. I had met people from different backgrounds, learned about their lives, their dreams, and their stories. I realized that traveling was not just about seeing places, but about connecting with people, learning about cultures, and discovering parts of myself I had never known before. Every day I kept a journal. I wrote down my thoughts, my feelings, and the small moments that made each day special. I noted the laughter, the kindness of strangers, the beauty of nature, and the challenges I faced. Each page reminded me that life is a collection of experiences, and that every experience shapes us, teaches us, and helps us grow. I also spent time learning new things. I visited art galleries and museums, absorbing knowledge about history, art, and culture. I practiced my English with locals, asking questions, telling stories, and sharing experiences. This was not only fun, but also educational. I noticed that with each conversation, my confidence grew, my vocabulary expanded, and my pronunciation improved. I repeated phrases, listened carefully, and tried to imitate the tone and rhythm of native speakers. The shadowing technique became my daily practice. By the end of my trip, I felt transformed. I had grown more confident, more open-minded, and more appreciative of the world around me. I had stories to tell, memories to cherish, and skills I had improved. California had given me not just beautiful sights, but also valuable lessons, unforgettable experiences, and a sense of personal growth that I would carry with me forever. The story of my travels is a reminder that adventure is not just about places, but about embracing life fully. It is about learning, growing, and connecting. It is about stepping into the unknown with courage, listening deeply, and living passionately. And as I continue my adventures, I carry with me all the memories, lessons, and connections that make life extraordinary.